Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to check out Pilgrim body lotion. As you can see, it has retinol and hyaluronic acid, which are anti-aging ingredients that are the main ingredients of this product. And I have been using this product and it has very good results, so I bought two of it. I'm in love with Pilgrim products, they are very good. So as you can see, it is written it deeply hydrates, it is anti-aging. So it comes with this kind of bottle. It is easy to use. Let's see how you can apply it on the screen. So it is very good for the skin, and I have been using Pilgrim products for almost 1 year. I have also posted one video related to um, cream, anti-aging cream. Please check out that video. If you want to buy this product, I will put a link in the description box so you guys can buy this product from Amazon. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.